Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Tools Academy. Today I'm diving into the world of AI-powered Chrome extensions that you absolutely must have in 2025. Whether you're an AI newbie or just love tech, these extensions will supercharge your browsing experience. Let's get started. First up, we have Grammarly. Now I know you've probably heard of Grammarly before, but did you know it's now powered by advanced AI? This extension goes beyond just catching grammar errors. It now provides context-aware suggestions and style improvements, perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who writes online. Next on the list is Tactic. This amazing extension transcribes your Google Meet conversations in real time, thanks to AI. It's a game changer for virtual meetings, letting you focus on the discussion without worrying about taking notes. Plus, it supports multiple languages. Moving on, we have Jasper. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that helps you create content faster than ever. Whether it's blog posts, emails, or social media updates, Jasper's got you covered. Just give it a topic and watch the magic happen. Now, for all you shopaholics out there, meet Karma. Karma uses AI to find the best deals and coupon codes while you shop online. It also tracks price drops and sends you notifications so you never miss a bargain. Shopping smarter has never been this easy. Next, let's talk about Tab9. If you're into coding, this one's for you. Tab9 is an AI-powered code completion tool that supports multiple programming languages. It learns from your codebase and provides intelligent suggestions, making coding faster and more efficient. And finally, we have Scribe. Scribe is an AI-powered personal assistant that automates repetitive tasks. From scheduling meetings to drafting emails, Scribe saves you time and boosts productivity. It's like having your own virtual assistant right in your browser. So, there you have it. 6 must-have AI Chrome extensions for 2025. These tools will not only enhance your productivity but also make your browsing experience more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Future Tools Academy, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.